In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to download YouTube on MacBook. So let's get started. Now, there is no official YouTube app for macOS, so you can't download it from the Mac App Store like you can do on iPhone or iPad. However, you can get a very close app-like experience, or you could say it's exactly like an app, yeah? So we're gonna go over that. Now, obviously, you could always use YouTube on your web browser. However, if you want an app, it is also possible. For that to happen, you'll have to go to your YouTube, then click on these three dots. Then you have to scroll down to this option right there which says cast, save and share. Now here you'll see this option of saying install YouTube, okay? Just go and click that. And then it'll say install app. Just go ahead and click install. Okay. So now if I go there, as you can see, I have a YouTube app right there. And if I open it, it opens basically the channel. Now, what you can do is you can just right click on it, click on option and keep it in dock, or just drag it there. Now I can just close it, and whenever I want, I can directly click on this and it's gonna open my YouTube just like that, yeah? Or obviously, now this is just for Chrome, obviously. Now let's say you're using Safari, so for Safari it's gonna be a bit different, but Chrome is obviously the better choice because you get like an app. Now for Safari, you do not get an app. So for example, if I go to youtube.com, then what I have to do is I'll have to make this like all the way small like that. And then I can drag this link from here and put it right next to the trash bin, okay? It can't go here, it can only go next to the trash bin. And there you go. Now this YouTube is gonna open Safari or your default browser. Now if I click on this, it's gonna open it in Brave because Brave is my default browser that I use. But for you, it would be Safari because that's your default browser. So, but I would always recommend you to get Chrome because it looks way better. As you guys can see, it's exactly like an app. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.